Here's a quick look at the sink and dishwasher that I installed here downstairs. I didn't get too much of this project on video because it wasn't getting a lot of views and there wasn't anything super interesting going on after I built the frame and so forth. It took me a little bit of effort to figure this out because this was kind of convoluted here, but I was able to set this up to utilize the existing pump, and I just tapped it in there with the clothes machine, and I tapped it in there as well. So we have hot and cold water now. I like the faucet. It's got a nice stream of water. It took this water energy saving nonsense out of it, and it works much better now. And we got hot, we got cold, and then we have the spray. Got a decent pressure to it. And we got a little plug thing here to plug up the drain. So I used a section of clear pipe here so we can see the water going through. It'd be kind of neat to watch as we clean things. I also put a clear pipe up there where the laundry machine dumps into so we can see that drain. On the dishwasher, I could put like a Y or something there and feed it in there, but for now, when I use the dishwasher, I'm just going to dump it into the sink. So this is all set. This opens properly. And I gotta clean this up a little bit. It's kind of grungy in there, but otherwise this is good to go. And I'm glad to have the dishwasher. I've been wanting to have something like that for a long time. I hope that works well for cleaning up like plastic fan guards and so forth. Alright, so that's that. Just wanted to show that progress on this thing here. And now, this is what I needed to be able to do clean and service projects again. So now we can start making a lot more clean and service videos like I used to, which I'm excited about because I really enjoy filming the clean and service videos.